Minsan, pag inaasar ako ng mga kaibigan o kaopisina ko, tinatawa ko na lang. Iniisip ko, siguro normal lang yon, parte ng pakikisama, pakikipagharutan. Pero minsan hindi ko masabi na off na o parang sumusobra. Lalo na kung malalait ako sa harap ng jowa ko o ng pamilya. Minsan na nila ako tinanong kung I'm okay. Paano ko ba sasabihin na hindi sila lalayo sa akin? Ako si Doy, at ito ang aking biyaheng I'm okay. My love, lagi tayong may tinatawag na office clown, or sa isang barkada may isang tao na laging pinagtatampulan ng tukso. Dama kasi natin na game sila eh. Sa lahat ng panunukso natin, sa lahat ng pang-uudyok natin sa kanila, game na game sila. But there are times na they too can wake up on the wrong side of the bed. Ibig sabihin, hindi at all times good yung mood nila to be the source of fun, to be the center of the joke. And sometimes, yung mga jokes natin talaga ay hindi nakakatuwa sa kanila, lalong-lalo na if they are trying to up their self-esteem, kasama nila yung partners nila or potential nilang maging romantic partner, o kaya andyan yung pamilya nila and they want the family to be proud of them. It's not really a cute sight kapag nakikita nila na pinagtatampulan ng tukso yung taong mahal nila. It also happens kung ikaw ay kaopisina at siya ay may kaibigan sa labas and your office mates made fun of you in front of those friends who actually respected you. They get mad for you. So sinasabi nila, ba't mo hinahayaan na ginaganon ka nila? Ba't mo hinahayaang pinagtatampulan ka nila ng tukso ng ganyan? Ba't mo hinahayaan na sinasabi nila yun sa'yo? They start to think less of themselves just because people are going overboard. Now, if you think that the jokes are not really funny, if you think that the jokes are too overboard, never be afraid to speak out. If yung mga yan is treating you like a friend, like you deem them to be as yours, they will understand na not all jokes ay may perceive as jokes, na may tamang panahon, tamang pagkakataon at tamang lugar para sa mga biro na yan. Minsan nga may tamang level ng pagkakakilala before ka mabiro ng ganyan. You don't have to accept it all. You don't have to be a sponge of all the jokes. You don't have to always be the source of the jokes. It's good when you make fun of yourself, pero it feels different when others make fun of you. That's the reason din siguro na why I don't like jokes na nagmimimik ng mga deaf. Yung bigla na ay gumaganon sila just as a form of joke. Even when yung mga taong yun ay not offended by it, and even when people do see it as a joke, I don't. Kasi parang syempre, dahil that one is close to my heart, dahil my brother is deaf, I don't want my brother to be a source of joke. I don't want his condition to be deemed as a joke. Kasi, kapansanan yun eh. It's not a joke. They did not want to be like that. They were born like that. So parang making fun of it is not really fun for me. Not funny. So whenever I see people doing that as a form of joke, I don't laugh. But I don't act violently. Why? Kasi they don't understand. They don't understand that it's hurting me. They don't understand that it is offending me. And if I say something, if I act violently against it, it's me who's in the wrong. Ako yung nasa mali. Because hindi ako nagsabi. Nagigets mo ako, my love? I'm not saying na ikaw pa yung mali, ikaw pa yung may kasalanan, ikaw pa yung nasa maling side. It's just that We all know that ignorance is not an excuse. Pero my love, we really need to set boundaries, lines, limitations. We should know how to communicate with people so that they can understand where we're coming from. If you want to establish a relationship with any people you want, any clique, any group, any community you want, kailangan matuto kang mag-open up. Kailangan matuto kang mag-communicate. I know some people that they do lay it out in the open kung ano yung mga joke na feeling nila offensive para sa kanila. And they do request na okay lang biruin mo ko sa kung ano-anong aspect. Except this one. I don't like jokes pertaining to this one. Kasi this one is my weakest spot. This is my insecurity. This is where I draw yung low self-esteem ko. And when people make fun of me because of that, it affects me. It offends me. See how simple that is. Pero how considerate you are or you become sa mga tao sa paligid mo. So my love, do not be afraid to open up to them. You are all adults. Mga mature kayong tao, if I'm not mistaken. They can act like one, but you must open up. You must draw the line. You have to make that line visible for them not to cross. Kasi kung hindi, my love, at may masabi silang na-offend ka, lumayo ka, nainis ka, nag-snap ka, nagalit ka, it's all yours. Kasi hindi nila alam. Gets mo ko, my love?